Welcome to lot number 7 in the Saddle Ridge development. We're located halfway between historical downtown Crested Butte and Mount Crested Butte. This lot's over 2 acres, unbelievable views of Mount Crested Butte and the surrounding peaks. You're going to love this lot. This is a future home site for your dream home. I can't wait to show it to you. We're going to go up to the second level and give you a panoramic view and then go up even higher. You're going to love it. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's go see. And you're going to love the proximity to the Lupine Trail for hiking or mountain biking. And now we're going to go way up. This is way higher than you'd ever physically be able to build a home because we're going to be up about 395 feet. But it shows you the proximity to Crested Butte, Mount Crested Butte, and where we are in the valley.